Welcome back to our class. Sorry for the delay, but as I told you, I had some technical problems. But we're back. Um, I'm going to share you the screen. Okay. We were talking about the video and we answered these questions. Okay. So now we have here some factors that they are the perception of who we are, okay? I want you to number it from 1 to 10 in order of importance to your identity. For example, if you think that your appearance is the most important thing that is strong to your identity, you put appearance number 1, okay? And if you think family is the least important, so it's not important in this context, you put then, you put family number 10, okay? So we have here appearance, social group, school, sports or hobbies, values, language, food, religion, sorry, region or country, family, and other. Do you understand what we're going to
Uh,
do?
it's it's 1 or 10, or I put the others numbers.
From 1 to 10, you put all numbers, okay?
Okay. Teacher,
Oui?
uh, we can start.
Yes, it's just for you to think. Sorry. Well, let's go. So, what's your number 1, Gabi?
Mm,
You can say it in order. 1, 2,
okay. Appearance.
2.
Um, sports or hobby.
Okay.
Um, 3. It's food.
So,
Um,
okay.
4. Language. 5. School. 6 is region or country. 7 is family. And the 8 is social group. Finish.
Okay, we have 9 and 10. So 9 is your values and 10 others.
Ah, yes.
Okay, okay. So do you think the appearance is the most important in in the building of your identity.
Yes, it's not correct, but yes.
Okay, okay. What about you, Thiago?
One appearance, two hobbies, three family, four culture, uh, five food, six language, six values,
7.
values, uh, uh, eight school, 9 altar, 10 social club.
Social groups.
Group.
Okay, so you think social group is not important to your identity? For example, if you join a group of like, how can I, like funkeiros, funkers. I don't know if it's right in English, but in Portuguese we say funkeiros. That doesn't change your identity. If you are a part of funkeiros, it doesn't change. It's not important to your identity. Okay, no, I'm just thinking. Nicole, what about you?
One, it's family.
Okay,
Two is food.
food.
Yeah.
Okay,
Three, school. Four, language. Five is values.
values.
Values. One more.
6.
Six, sport. Seven, social group. Eight, country. Nine, appearance.
Appearance. Okay.
10, other.
Alice,
Teacher, o que que é values?
values. It's the things that it's passed to you. For example, to be a good girl, to be honesty. How can I say? It's things that are in your family, in your personal, like honesty, like oh, um I don't remember the values. For example, spirituality, knowledge. They are all values that you carry with you, for example. Do you understand?
Yes. Thank you. Number one, social group.
Okay.
Two, values. 3, appearance.
Appearance.
4, sport hobby. 5, language. 6, regional country. 7, family. 8, school. 9, food. 10, other.
Okay. Here in other, we can put a lot of things here. For example, religion or other things. Okay. Here, Annie, as you don't have the microphone, you can type it on chat, please. As you can see here, every one of you thinks differently, although some numbers match in the same word, but it changed from every one of you. Some one of you said the appearance is important or very important. Just for Nicole, it's not important, the least important of that. The things you like to do, it's important to your identity. Family, just for Tiago and Nicole, it's important. So it changed a lot, and okay, it's okay. Can you tell me one of these factor and how it influence your identity? For example, I will tell someone that is not here. For example, religion. When you think about the African religions that we have here in Brazil, like the Candomblé, for example, um, depending of the person, if you say you are from Candomblé, the very Christians, strict Christians or other religions, they think that you are a bad person, for example. And for others, when you think that, when you say that you are from some religion like Candomblé, they think you are a good person, that you have a lot of good adjectives, like you are strong, that you are some other adjectives that it's related to your religion. So that influence a lot about your identity. Can you tell one factor and how it influence in your identity? For example, Anya, I'm reading this. You told number 1 and number 2. Gabi, can you tell one factor and how it influence your identity?
Okay. Teacher, I am confused. I don't understand.
You will choose one of these factors and you tell how does it influence your identity. For example, you told appearance is the most important to you. Why
Okay.
it influence your identity a lot?
Oh. I don't have idea how can speak for you in English.
Okay. You can try and we are going to organizing your ideas.
Okay. Appearance is important for me because I feel so bad when my appearance is not good. Um, and for me, think this. Um, oh, I forgot. I forgot.
No problem. You like to be in a good way.
Yes, I think appearance is important for everybody. Everybody comments for appearance, and I think is not real if I don't say is important for me. You understand?
Yes, I understand. Uh, this is you worry how people think, but it's not too important. You wear, you look as the way you like, but sometimes the someone's opinion is important, how they see you. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. See, you can talk. Thiago.
I think social group.
Okay. And how it does it influence in your identity? Okay. Um, guys, I want you to rush a little bit because we have listening, and then I can back here, and or you can send me audios on WhatsApp talking about that, okay? Just because we have a listening. Annie, now I saw your values. Very interesting too. So now we have a listening. We're going to listen to, sorry, to an interview with Mexican guy, and he is going to talk about these values, okay? So just let me find here the audio. Okay. So you're going to listen part of the Mexican man. He moved to the US, and he lists some things he says it used to be important of his sense of identity, okay? So please listen to what he says. Oh, I need to share sound first.
Unit 1, Section 4, Exercise B.
Today I'm talking to Armando Garola about how he defines who he is. Armando is 38 and married. He's Mexican and he lives in Miami, Florida. Armando, how long have you lived in the States?
For almost 2 years.
Okay, I've given you a list of personal identity factors. When you were living in Mexico, which of these factors were most important to you in how you defined your identity?
Well, number one was definitely my family. In Mexico, family values and traditions are extremely important. And then I guess number two for me was my work.
Which was?
Actually, I was studying and working. I was an architecture student, but I also had a construction company with a partner. Work was always more important than studying.
And why was your job so important to your sense of identity?
Well, in Mexico, your job really defines your social status, so it's really important to us to have a good job.
Okay, I see. And you marked social group on the survey. What things gave you and your friends a common identity?
Well, we had similar family backgrounds and values, and also similar interests and goals.
Sure. So your family, your job, and your social group.
Yes. Oh, and food.
Why food?
Because I never wanted to eat anything that wasn't Mexican food. When I traveled, I was unhappy if I couldn't get it.
Okay, do you understand? Could you get the values here, the factors here?
Yes, I can stand.
Okay, which one did you get it?
Family.
Family, okay, is one of them.
Work.
Work is here with school. Okay. What else?
Values, social groups, and food.
Very good. Very, very good. So this is and he explains which one of that it's important. For example, when he talks about work, he tells that your job define if you are high or in the high society or no. For example, okay. And he said food is important because he was always looking for Mexican food, whatever he goes. Okay, guys, do you have any doubts about the class, today's class?
I don't have teacher.
Okay, if you want, you can send me audios through the WhatsApp and I can talk to you more about identity. It's a very interesting topic that I really like. As you can see, we spend a lot of time talking about that, and the time flew and I didn't see. So thank you for coming. And please do the exercise at classroom. It's very, very important. And I wait for you in the next class, okay? Thank you
Okay.
guys, and bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, teacher.
Bye.